Hello, Seattle DCTV viewers. The moment has arrived and history is being made. The Infinity Tour has made its way to Seattle, and India's one of the most beloved singers, Shan, is set to grace his presence at the Maiden Bar Center in Bellevue this Friday on June 20th. Known for his soulful music, Shan has brought his signature voice to the Pacific Northwest. The concert, organized by Seattle Events and Entertainment and ADA, promises a night of soulful music, good vibes, and Bollywood songs. Whether you are a long-time fan or new to his songs, this is your chance to experience the music in person and the magic too. So come, let's join in this celebration and enjoy this evening. Thank you. Hello, Seattle DCTV viewers. We have here with us Mr. Abhishek Ji, who is one of the partners of Seattle Events and Entertainment, and we are here to greet Shan to Seattle. So, sir, welcome first of all. How are you?
Hi, my name is Abhishek Mishra. I'm one of the partner at Seattle Events and Entertainment. Tomorrow we're gonna host Shan. He's like a renowned musical singer who has sang in like different languages, Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, and there are several different languages which has sang. He has sang, and now we are here to receive him, to give him a warm welcome in our Emerald City, Seattle. Shan will be performing tomorrow at Maiden Bauer Center. Seattle Events and Entertainment is an entertainment company which brings Bollywood stars. Recently, we have conducted a sold out show at Oakland Arena, and that was like 7,000 people showed up. It was the biggest show in entire North America. Tomorrow, we're going to host Shan, which is another sold out show. There will be 2,500 plus people who will be attending this show. So if you haven't booked your ticket, Seattle, this is your last chance to get to notice the musical extravaganza with one and only Shan. Thank you.
So, viewers, this is a once in a lifetime chance, as he said. So, please do come to the event. And, sir, I would like to ask, were there any challenges you faced while organizing this event?
See, as I said, like when we are organizer and we have been doing this for past 7 plus years,
Yeah,
so we are now used to like
used to it.
when you there is a pro, you know
Yeah,
what to do and how to do it,
yeah,
and we have been doing this for long,
right,
so things have been pretty smooth.
right.
The best part is again my audience. The best part is my audience, right? Whenever there's an audience in your support, you don't need anybody else. Like thank you so much for everyone who bought the tickets, and I'm like no promising you that you guys will not be disappointed with this. You will have the best musical night that you have ever seen. Again, thanks to Maiden Bauer for arranging all this. The venue is like one of the important part in organizing all these events. So thanks to Maiden Bauer for giving us opportunity to host like wonderful Seattle audience over there. And this will be, as I said, this will be another musical extravaganza that Seattle is going to notice.
Right. Amazing. Thank you so much for such a good description of the event. And also, like, I would watch to ask you that this is going to be Shan's first performance in
This
Seattle. It's
is
going to
going
be his
to,
debut performance.
yes.
So, like, how did you manage to convince him with this?
Oh,
Yeah. How did you
we
coordinate?
are really excited, as I said, right? Shan is really excited too. You
Yeah.
must have seen that like
Yeah.
teaser where Shan is singing "Hello
Hello,
Seattle"
Seattle.
and all
Yeah.
that, right? So he's also really excited. He has not performed in Seattle ever.
Yeah.
Seattle being like such a big city, such a big Indian diaspora, and
Exactly.
everybody over here, they were desperately waiting for somebody to get Shan. And as I said, we are fortunate enough to bring him.
Yeah.
It was a great effort from the national promoters as well. Thanks to Mr. Karl Kalra,
Yeah.
who's bringing this.
Right.
Be Live Events is the event company who's bringing the national tour of Shan. So thanks to Mr. Karl Kalra from Be Live, who has made this possible for us.
Oh, wow. So, on behalf of all Seattle fans and audience, I would like to thank you for bringing Shah here. You have made dream come true for lots of fans for him. So, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, SDTV. You guys are doing wonderful job. I have seen a lot of people. There are so many volunteers. It's an effortless job. So thank you so much, you guys, for coming and covering this. We would love to have you in all our coming shows. Thank you, SDTV.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was an honor interviewing you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hello, Shan. Welcome to Seattle. How are you?
Very happy, excited to be here in Seattle for the first time.
Okay.
Heard so much about the city, but it's great
Yeah.
to be here finally.
Okay, so could you please tell us about the Infinity Tour of North America that you're doing and how has been your journey so far?
It's been great. We've done 3 shows, 3 full hours, and
Yeah.
I'm told even Seattle is sold out, so it's wonderful to know that. And a lot of elements to the Infinity Tour. We have it's very pacey, it's very fast. One thing finishes, कुछ नया शुरू हो
Right,
जाता है.
right.
लेकिन
Okay.
उसमें बहुत अलग-अलग segments हैं.
अच्छा.
जैसे Unplugged है, एक
हाँ.
90s को एक ode देते हुए एक छोटा सा segment है.
अच्छा.
फिर धमाकेदार कुछ डांस वांस है, तो बहुत कुछ है. It's interesting.
Acha, okay. And this is going to be your first time performing in Seattle,
Yes.
like a debut performance. So how do you feel about it?
I'm very excited. In fact, this tour has a lot of first times. Like, I was there for the first time in Cleveland
Oh,
last
right.
week. So Seattle will be the first time. Some,
Right.
of course, have been there before. San Jose and Calgary.
True.
But excited about Seattle because Seattle is, of course, the
Yeah.
technology or IT hub of
True.
the
That's
world.
true. That's
So
true.
I'm glad to be here and have an extra day.
Wow.
So, which is
You
actually
can
almost
do
gone
that, yeah.
today, but whatever. थोड़ा
Yeah.
बहुत देखूंगा.
Right.
Seattle घूमेंगे थोड़ा आज.
Right.
अच्छा
Right.
performance होगा.
Yeah.
A lot of energy, a lot of melody, and
Yeah.
a lot of happiness. I think.
Right. And traveling and performing in such a tight schedule can be challenging and demanding. So how do you keep up with your energy levels and motivation? It's tough.
The Friday shows are the lucky ones because there you're well rested.
Yeah.
But by the time the Sunday one comes, but strangely,
Right.
audience मिल जाती है. When उनकी जो जोश होती है, उनकी जो उत्साह होती है, उसको
Yeah.
देखकर सुनकर performer में जोश आ ही जाती है.
Okay,
And I've done
that's
this
true.
before. This is my 10th
The 10th,
US
yeah.
tour, so
Right.
I've done these Friday, Saturday, Sunday
Wow.
things. This leg is still easier.
Right.
Previous one was a little more,
Okay.
but Seattle to San Jose to Calgary, not bad.
Calgary,
Not bad.
Yeah. And any last thoughts or messages that you'd like to share with our Seattle fans? They're excited to have you here.
Can't wait to perform for all my
Yeah.
Seattle friends tomorrow, and looking forward to seeing the wonderful city. Coming for the first time, I love seeing new places.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try and catch the sights and sounds of Seattle as much as I can.
Sure. Thank you, Shan.
And
Thank
Shan,
you.
sir,
Thank you.
finally for the organizers, we are the organizers over here.
Wonderful,
Seattle
very, very-
Events and Entertainment with Ada, along
Wow.
with Be Live.
Ada
Mr.
कौन है?
Karl Kavla.
अच्छा, अदा किसी का नाम है
जी,
आपका?
नहीं, नहीं।
एक ग्रुप का नाम
अरे वाह
जो
वाह,
हमारे
चलिए,
साथ
जिस अदा से और जिस खूबसूरती से जिस प्रोफेशनलिज्म के साथ आपने इस शो को हैंडल किया है, माय कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू द होल टीम.
Here's another one.
ये है अदा.
They
Gold.
He's from Seattle Events and
Ah,
Entertainment.
wonderful, wonderful.
All right, Seattle, do not miss the musical extravaganza that's happening tomorrow. It's happening in the Maiden Lawn Center. You don't want to miss the last chance to book your tickets. Please welcome Shan in our Emerald City. We want to see you in like your full josh that you want to show for the last minute of Shan's arrival. Thank you so much.
Yay!